This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Hey guys, we are here looking at a bathroom. We're in this little condo townhouse unit. The buyer did have a question during the scheduling process about this staining here. So let's talk about this for a minute. As you may know, in order to seal the toilet drainage to the plumbing under the floor here, there's a wax ring. And sometimes if you don't sit that wax ring just right, it won't seal up properly. And so you can see here we've got lots of caulking around the toilet, which we do like. There is some mixed opinions about whether or not it's a good idea here. But because what you do here in this case especially is if there is a leak in that wax ring, you won't know it until you start getting a bunch of the staining. So this is what's happened here is this toilet has become loose, the wax ring's got a leak, and we're leaking not out on top of the floor, but actually underneath the vinyl. And so good question and good eyes on this buyer when they first saw the house, and good thing for them to point this out. We obviously found it and confirmed it, and we're gonna let them know about it, make sure that they can get this taken care of. Thank you again. This is Brandon, the Home Inspector. We'll see you on the next one.